this is Alyssa from Stitchonomy, and today I'm going to show you how to use a punch needle. Embroidery made easy. The first step is to get your punch fabric ready for use. I'm using a monk's cloth that I will link to in the description. Please watch my video on how to use an embroidery hoop to see how you can get your fabric as taut as possible. I highly recommend that you use a non-slip hoop as opposed to a normal embroidery hoop, because if you use a normal embroidery hoop, the fabric is going to slip really fast and it is going to get very frustrating very fast. And we are doing this to have fun, so make sure that you use a non-slip hoop to get your fabric as tight as possible. The second step is to thread your punch needle. Make sure to check out my video on how to do that, which I will link above. Now, when you've completed these two steps, we are ready to get punching, so let's begin. Hold the needle like you would a pencil, with the open side facing the direction you are punching and the eye facing away from where you are going to punch. Let the thread rest over your finger and make sure nothing is stopping it from moving freely. If your loops don't stay put, it could mean that your thread can't move freely. Place the pointy end of the needle on the fabric and punch completely through so that the top of the tool touches the fabric. Slowly pull the needle towards you, but keep the point of the needle close to the fabric. If you yank the needle out, the loops will come loose. Move the needle over a few holes to make your next punch. Again, punch completely through the fabric so that the top of the tool touches the fabric. The needle should always keep touching the fabric. To finish, punch the fabric and cut the thread at the back. Slowly remove your needle. If you are using the non-loop side of your project, there is a small thread from your starting loop. Pull the thread on the back of the project to secure your first stitch. If you mess up, don't worry. You can pull on the thread and the loops will come undone and you can start over. If you have any questions, please comment below or find me on Instagram at Stitchonomy. And if you found this video helpful, then please click the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. This was Alyssa with Embroidery Made Easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time.